Hi there. I am representing wp-config.php. We provide all sorts of digital marketing solutions like web designing, social media integration, search engine optimization, graphic designing and logo designing. So if you want any services from us, contact us at support@wp-config.php. In this video I am going to show you how you can reset your WordPress password without any verification. You don't have to type in your old password, nor you need to verify your username or email, nothing. Pretty amazing, right? So make sure to watch my video till the end and subscribe to my channel. While building this website on localhost, I unexpectedly logged out and discovered that neither the username nor the password had been saved. This is because localhost does not support SSL, which prevents passwords from being saved. Fortunately, my username popped into my memory. However, when I tried to log in, the information given was inaccurate. First things first, SSL is very important for your website. Is a standard security technology for establishing an encrypted link between a server and a client, typically a web server, website, and a browser, or a mail server and a mail client. To get a free SSL for your domain, watch my video here. First, let's try the general way to reset the password. Obviously the emails are not configured. Here's the fun part. As I mentioned earlier, we'll be using no verification methods, so we're gonna be using WordPress emergency password reset script. A WordPress emergency password reset script is a PHP script that can be used to reset the password of a WordPress user directly from the server. This can be particularly useful if you are locked out of your WordPress admin area and unable to reset your password through the usual methods. Simply scroll down and copy the script. You need to create a new file with PHP extension and name it emergency. So the full file name will be emergency.php. I am inside my XAMPP installation folder, now htdocs folder, and now the main website folder. You need to place the file here, in the main root directory. Let me go back for a second where I have my new PHP file. I am gonna copy it. And as I mentioned, place it inside your root directory. Name it emergency. Let me copy the code again. Open it with Notepad and place the code inside. Now just simply save your changes and we're halfway home. Now simply in your URL, add emergency.php with your domain. Here you can see, the WordPress emergency password reset page has been opened. Just one thing to use this emergency page, you must remember your username. Now just simply enter in your legit username. And now enter in your new password. Now just click Update Options and we're done. As I promised, no verification. Now let's test. Here you can see, we're back in the dashboard. So if this video helped you in any way, like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you later, alligator.